Alright, the rules are simple. One camera, one city, 36 shots, and I can only keep one. But I can only keep one shot at the end. Let's see how this goes. I'm in the beautiful city of Bari in southern Italy. The weather is not amazing today, but I won't let that stop me. I'm shooting with the X106 and we are starting here on the sea. I'm shooting in single shot JPEG only, and I will be using my custom-made simulations. You can find the link in the description. But let's go. This is the thing that I love in the city of Bari. It's called the Lungomare, along the sea, I suppose is the translation. And although it has a little bit of a weird history because it comes from the era of fascism, I like taking a photo here every now and again, especially at sunset. Let's go into docu black and white. Maybe overexpose it, maybe underexpose it. Shall we go like this? Let's do this warm-up shot. Bosh. And we got one shot, 35 more. So it seems like I wasted two shots. This is the first one, but this is just a shot of the pavement. Well, it is what it is. I'm not cheating. Oh. This gentleman looks amazing. Salve! Mi piace moltissimo la sua cravatta. È bellissima. E posso farle una foto? Un ritratto? I think I didn't waste 3 shots, but I took 3 shots of the gentleman, and I'm not super satisfied with them, but in the moment I was like, oh my god, oh look at this, I need to take this. This is such a black and white shot, bro. There you go. Oh, I like the fact that there's a lot of the seagulls that are flying around. They look amazing. There's seagulls because of the gentleman who threw in the sea some stuff. Probably food for them. Oh, look at the big seagull. I'm gonna waste another shot. Not waste, but I think it's a good... I think it just says a lot about the city. Oh my god, I love this. So I went a little bit too wild, and I'm already 16 shots in because I took 10 shots of this scene right here. But I think it is an amazing photo. This is probably my keeper. I think it represents very well what this city is about. There's the seagulls, there's the fishermen, there's a boat, there's trouble, there's movement, there's story, there's everything in this photo. So I think this is my keeper. This is my keeper, bro. It's very unlikely I will be taking a better shot than this. This was just this, yeah. I am moving a little bit deeper into the city center, the old city center, Bari Vecchia, Old Bari. That's a very typical shot over here, in the sense that in southern Italy it's very typical for, you know, clothing to be dried outside because it's sunny usually. But that's it, only one shot. I got left 19 shots and I still have to go into the city center, like deep into the city center. Kind of like the geometry over there of the buildings and everything. You know what? I think I can take a shot here. I want a motorbike. Yeah, there you go. Motorbike. I think it just... yeah, there you go. So not the shot of the day, but I like the idea of it. You know, this is the point of this exercise, to kind of train your eye. This is huge. well-deserved lunch. Basilica di San Nicola. The peculiarity of this church is that it's both for Catholics and Orthodox. It has a big cult. Let's take a look inside. So I was just inside the church and I got a little bit carried away with the one shot. I have taken a shot that in my head, in my mind, it looked like a contender. Basically the hand of this child reaching for the tomb of Saint Nicholas. And there was a whole family like trying to reach and touch the tomb because Saint Nicholas is buried in there, in the crypt. The idea of the hand reaching for salvation or anything like that, I don't know, I just liked in my head. I think the other one, the one at the port, looks better and, you know, delivers a better message, better story. Actually, no, better story probably not. Although I think there's very strong contenders, but objectively, one looks better than the other. This is a very cute little street, but I wouldn't necessarily want to waste a shot or take a shot here, because it doesn't really bring anything. Like, I don't think it's a strong photo. Now, the point is not to have like old portfolio shots, but, you know, the point is to be more intentional. I like the idea of it. I like the leading lines made by the veggies. But when I take the shot, I need a strong subject. Maybe the lady in red that's coming right now. Yeah, I see the lady in red. Ah, fuck, I wasted the shot. The idea was good, the execution was bad, and I got a little scared. I'm out of the old city center now. I'm in one of the main streets for shopping. And I think I will spend the rest of the 7 photos that I got left. I will take them here on this street or on one of the parallels. With a light like this, I will have to look more for interesting subjects rather than playing with light. It would be nice if somebody passed from the other side and I would frame them. You see, they pass either right or left and I take a shot of them inside, but it's a, there you go. So here's the shot. The idea is there, the execution isn't. It is what it is. That's why I'm doing this, to, you know, to learn, to exercise, to practice. Nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect, so it's a lot of training. So I'm looking for a silhouette, but I need a cool looking subject. I want to have the sky as a highlight. To do this. Is she? It's cool enough. It's a shot. Now I wouldn't say it's the most ideal shot, but the idea is there. The whole point of this exercise is to train to see these kinds of shots everywhere. You know, you go, you look at the scene, and you're like, oh yeah, this can work. I didn't think it would come to this, but I feel like I don't have a shot. I have 5 shots left, but cannot find any shots. I'm just looking for subjects, but there's none. I mean, nothing interesting to me. I thought it would be the completely opposite thing. Like, you know, I would be just snapping. I'm wondering if I can play with the mirrors here. Now, for this, I'm gonna set my camera into manual. I want somewhere around 1/8 of a second, something like that, and then snap. I don't like it. I mean, I like the idea. Maybe central. Yeah, I think central. And I'll go color, and maybe I'll go 5/6 and a little bit lower. I'm gonna look at this and take a shot. And if this doesn't work, then yeah, no, this is bad. Hey dude, can I take a Fabulous. The dude's got style, son. Yeah, should have gone color. Should have gone color. We're done. I'm not super happy with the last shots that I've taken because I know I just feel like I didn't focus a lot, but my focus went really down after eating. However, I have two shots that I'm really happy about, and they will be the contenders. Basically, they will fight for the publication of this video. Basically, recording this video was super fun. I found it challenging, and I really hope that I inspired at least one person to do the same, to go out there, challenge yourself, and take less photos more intentionally. It's about being more intentional, thinking a little bit more before taking a shot, observing the scene, and then going for the shot instead of just spraying and praying. I don't like film as a process, as you know, everything, cost, weights, whatever, right? But I do appreciate this about film. Not that it slows you down. I don't want you to be slow. I want you to be fast. I want you to notice something and take a photo, but I want more intentionality behind the act of pressing the shutter. All right, I have my photo. Let's delete the rest. Well, one last look at all of them. Here we go, and now format, done. And now you can say, yeah, but how did you get those photos on the computer? I saved the JPEGs on the computer, and so that I would show you during the video, because it would be boring otherwise. But I will delete the photos from the computer as well, and I will only keep the one.